Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Well, I'd introduce you to a game-changing opportunity. With our expert guidance, you can learn how to earn money on crypto and start investing your savings with confidence. Our platform is easy to use and has flexible trading options, so you can pick and choose the assets that suit your style. Plus, our team is always available to provide support and guidance throughout your journey. Don't wait any longer. Click the link below to start your journey towards financial freedom today.
Hello and welcome to this video on the potential of earning money in the cryptocurrency space. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that operates independently of central banks and governments. It is decentralized, which means there is no single authority controlling it. This makes it an attractive alternative to traditional currencies, which often suffer from instability, manipulation, and lack of transparency. There are several ways to earn money in the cryptocurrency space. 1. Trading. Cryptocurrency trading is the buying and selling of different cryptocurrencies. It can be a lucrative activity if you have the right strategies and insights. Day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing are all different approaches to trading cryptocurrencies. 2. Mining. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of verifying transactions on the blockchain and adding them to the public ledger. This is done by solving complex mathematical puzzles using specialized hardware. Mining can be a lucrative way to earn money, but it requires considerable investment in hardware and software. 3. Staking. Staking is a way to earn rewards in cryptocurrencies by holding a certain number of units of the currency. In return, you receive a fixed amount of cryptocurrency or tokens every period of time, usually monthly or yearly. While each of these options has its benefits and drawbacks, the choice ultimately depends on your interests and risk tolerance. Cryptocurrency offers a unique opportunity for earning money, but it is important to approach it with caution and knowledge. Happy trading! Introduction. Briefly introduce the video and its purpose. Highlight the potential of earning money in the cryptocurrency space. Section 1. Understanding. Define what cryptocurrency is and how it works. Explain the blockchain technology that underlies most cryptocurrencies. Mention the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies and the absence of a central authority. Section 2. Different ways to earn money. Option 1. Trading. Explain the basics of cryptocurrency trading. Discuss different trading strategies, such as day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. Emphasize the importance of risk management. Option 2. Mining. Briefly explain cryptocurrency mining. Discuss the difference between proof-of-work (POW) and proof-of-stake (POS) mining. Mention the hardware and software requirements for mining. Option 3. Staking. Introduce the concept of staking in cryptocurrencies. Explain how staking works and its potential for earning passive income. Discuss the risks and benefits of staking. Option 4. Airdrops and forks. Define airdrops and forks in the context of cryptocurrencies. Explain how users can benefit from participating in airdrops and recognizing forks. Section 3. Risks and challenges. Highlight the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Discuss the risks associated with trading, mining, and staking. Emphasize the importance of doing thorough research before getting involved. Section 4. Securitizers. Stress the importance of securing cryptocurrency holdings. Discuss hardware wallets, software wallets, and best practices for securing private keys. Warn against common scams and phishing attempts. Section 5. Regulations and tax implications. Briefly touch upon the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies. Mention the importance of understanding tax implications related to cryptocurrency earnings. Conclusion. Summarize key points. Encourage viewers to do further research and stay updated on market trends. Remind viewers that the cryptocurrency market carries risks, and they should only invest what they can afford to lose.